Okay, there was a detailed explanation of what had happened on the 22nd of April, the Pahalgam attack, and the Indian government's measured reaction over the attack. And the aspiration of the Indian government was very clearly conveyed by the all-party delegations. That is that India is not at all interested in war. India is more focused on, now is already the fourth largest economy, and they want to focus on the economic development, and their ambition is to become the third largest economy in the near future. So war is never their agenda, is in their agenda, but there needs to be an end to this aggression, and the all-party members listed the past attacks that had happened on the soil of India, and they were seeking the assistance and cooperations from Malaysia and countries in this region to bring this home to India. Pakistan is also our friendly country. India is our friendly country, so that this message can be brought to our friendly country, Pakistan, so that they can understand the need of the day is not conflict, but we need to concentrate in the economic development. And that was not discussed. We confined to the mission that is to explain the Pahalgam attack and what is India's stand as far as it comes to handling of terrorism. There's zero tolerance to terrorism, and I think all countries in the world will not tolerate any form of violence or terrorism, and I think that has been made very clear in our Prime Minister's speech post the Pahalgam attack. Yeah. I think our response has been made very clear by the Prime Minister's statement that in Malaysia is also has zero tolerance to any form of violence, and be it in any country, in our neighboring country or any part of the world. So Malaysia will always endeavour its good relationship with the respective countries in order to end or to not to escalate any kind of conflict. That I think would be the position of, and Malaysia since 1974, since the formation of ASEAN, the treaty we signed that we will remain non-aligned, but we will also raise it in appropriate forum, in the appropriate way to bring senses to all parties concerned.